What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Here we are, got a customer. Currently we're doing a soundproof wall, so yeah, we'll do a time-lapse video of it going on and I'll take you through each stage what we're going to do. So here we are, first stage. As you can see, this is the size of the room. Got a 30mm rock wool first. That's stage one, going all the way through, and then we're going to have some metal stud on the floor, on the ceiling, and then that'll be tracked using I-beam, and then that'll have another layer of 75mm rock wool, so keep your eyes peeled and we'll do another time-lapse video shortly. Welcome back guys, just a quick update. So obviously the previous video showed you that we've stuck 30mm rock wool to the actual wall itself using spray adhesive, so that's done. So I'll turn the camera around to show you. We've put track on the ceiling, track on the floor, and now you'll see the second part of what we're doing to soundproof this wall that we're doing. So here we go. Track on the floor, track on the ceiling. As you can see, the channel is in, and we're using now 75mm rock wool in between, so that is now another section of sound deadening. So if you carry on watching the time-lapse video, you'll see how this gets together. So yeah, carry on watching guys, and hope you enjoy the content that's been put up. Right, so here's another update. As you can see, it is now fully finished. Track's in. Got 75mm rock wool insulation, sound deadening material. So now we're going to be putting a layer. This is going to be plasterboarded, all of it, and then some rubber sound deadening. So I'll do another time-lapse video so you guys can see. So welcome back guys, we've done stage one, stage two is now done, so we are now on stage three of the works. I quickly need to seal all the edges up because we had a 5mm gap. 5mm gap was so the silicone seal, the Acoustic fire stop. Don't know if you can see that. That's why there's a 5mm gap, so I'm going to seal all that up and then we're going to use, I'll take you out to it now, just give us 2 secs. This is the stuff that we're going to be using here. Is Tech Sound Suprema. Like that. This rubber material, the other side of it. Sorry. So that's the back of it. That's the front of it. That's the rubber acoustic sound deadening we're going to use as well. So that's the plasterboard wall. Obviously I need to seal everything. So there's going to be plasterboard, acoustic rubber on this. Take it back. to her. Yeah, acoustic rubber, another layer of plasterboard, acoustic rubber, and then there'll be a final layer of plasterboard on top of that. So yeah, another time-lapse video for you guys. Hopefully you'll see this coming up. And sorry about the angle, it's just where the iPhone's positioned and the room's quite small. I can't get a decent position for it, so yeah, hopefully I'll do my best to get everything in a time-lapse video. So thanks again and keep on watching. Like and subscribe. Good afternoon guys, welcome back, and this is just literally a quick update for you. So previous video I probably showed you how everything was finished. I think we had everything sealed using, I'll turn the camera around in a minute and show you what I was using to seal all the stuff with. But yeah, so just like I say, a quick update. Everything sealed. The acoustic back boxes for the plug sockets are in, which I'll show you. And obviously they need connecting back up once the rest of the wall's done, but I'll turn the camera around now and show you. So here we are. Okay, the acoustic back boxes. Got 3 over there. Got 2 here. 1 there. That's what they wanted, customer. So as you can see, this is the stuff that I'm using, which is very, very heavy. So obviously there's going to be another layer of plasterboard and then another layer of this stuff again, and then the final layer will just be the plasterboard itself, which will then get skimmed. So we have been using this to stick that up with. Yeah, and to finish off the soundproofing and that, to show you, we've been using this stuff. Here it is. So that's the stuff, acoustic. So that's what we've been using each stage of the way, sealing the plasterboard up and that. So yeah, if you like what you see, like and subscribe guys, and yeah, hope you enjoy the content. And if you think, like I said in the previous video, if you think I can do anything better, comment down below. Thanks for watching. The engineer, Ash. can come in if you want, Paul.
Have you done it? Or?
No, come in.
He's ringing me from Crew now.
Right guys, here we go. The finished wall, as you can see. Don't know if your sockets are in. And there you have it. The finished soundproof wall. Here we go, yes. Welcome back guys. So, say hello to the gaffer. He's there.
How we doing?
If you can see him. So yeah, there you have it. I'll explain, probably a voiceover to explain why we use so much materials, plasterboard, soundproofing. So anyway, I hope you like what you see and like and subscribe.